Hi beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. Check out this beautiful short natural haircut that will take many years off your age. This is a haircut that is versatile, is effortless, and it made with soft layers. It's a haircut that's really good for women, that have those double chin. You can see how it can be a voluminous short natural haircut that really builds height and also draws the eye upward, and it's a style you can see that is so gorgeous. Just keep your look balanced by really matching this hair's volume to your body proportions, because it's a haircut that works wonders too. So I love this style because haircut with volume on top, like this style you're seeing we visually elongate your face, while haircut with layers below the chin will draw the eye downward. So this is a haircut that brings softness to your look, even if you wish to blow some strong angles, but it's a style that will give your hair and your face that softening quality every woman's want. Take a good look on this style. You will also notice that it's also a low maintenance short natural haircut that is gorgeous for matured women, and you can see how you can go longer than 8 weeks between your salon appointment, because you can see how the cut really take many years of your age, and it really cuts down on your styling time. So your hair to just set the stage. Don't forget that color brings life to your hair, and the key is just choosing those tones that add depth and dimension to your look, even without even washing out your complexion. Let me let you guys to please cover the rest of the styles. I appreciate everyone. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.